You also get one-to-one personal phone calls monthly to develop your business. So you get 12 one-to-one calls, generally with me, but if you want to book a call with one of the other tutors from the school, you can. And if you want to bring those forward to maybe the first couple of months, rather than do one call a month, you might want to do one call a week or one call a fortnight for the first couple of months. Again, no problem. We can do that for you. The idea of that is very much you're not on your own. When you leave this course after 2 days, you've been given a lot of education. You've got a lot to take in. You've got unlimited email support via the Internet Business School and a huge learning library at the Internet Business School. But as well as that, you get personal one-to-ones to actually work on your business and develop your business. So you get those, which is very, very valuable to actually be able to speak to someone on the phone and draw out your business plan going forward over the next 12 months. We also get your first website, all the artwork and design done for your first product website, and I'll give you a couple of examples of those in a second. So our graphics designer will do this design for your first site, and also you get your first 20 sites hosted for free. So many hosts will charge you £4, £5, £10 a month for hosting. It's all included with your package. You get up to 20 sites hosted in your first year, absolutely free. So we've got a couple of previous students' projects here. The important thing to say here is that these are example sites, and these are you'll notice these aren't get-rich-quick products. What they are is actual real products in real niche markets. And where these products come from, it might be an existing business you've got. In one of these examples here, Simple Ice, there is actually a guy going to the course who's a financial advisor. So we've set up an online business for him selling ices. The other one on this page is Matthew, who beekeeping is nothing that he knew about, but what he did do was he looked in a newspaper and read that beekeeping is one of the fastest growing hobbies in the UK. Figured that would be a good thing to make a product around. So we've made a product and a website here around a guide to becoming a beekeeper. Another example here that's come from someone's existing day job. The one on the top left, the bed and breakfast guide, is actually Sid, who's run a B&B himself in the past. So again, the product was in his head, and we've just showed him how to put that into practice and put it onto a website. Another one here, another example is Ian, and he had actually got resale rights to a product. In fact, he got resale rights to a couple of different products in the wedding market, and made his own package, which is all about wedding planning. So just to give you some examples of the types of projects that we work on with students. They're not get rich quick products. They're not licenses to eBay guides or American products that are 10, 20 years old. That's not what I'm about. What I'm about is finding niche markets in the UK, often based on your experience, but not necessarily, and actually taking those to market and showing you how to do it very successfully.